welcome back. So I'm back. I'm playing again. I'm gonna have to wait 40 seconds, but probably guess what game this is. So YouTube doesn't delete this. So I already played the first couple of levels, and this one. But let's start off with the first one, shall we? Because you know YouTube. So this is a pretty old game. So this guy is dreaming, and his beard is about to fall off. So you have to die. Also, when in this game, sprinting is automatic, and if you press and hold shift, you walk. Also, the trophy is right over there. So let's jump off. Let the radio go. Now I'm trapped in Sparrow Desert. Uh-oh. Run! Didn't make it. And it's been like a minute. So the game I'm playing is called Suicide Guide. I'm gonna say Suicune, like the Pokemon. If it doesn't get taken down. Suicune guy. So yeah. And like wood chipping. This first part is like a tutorial, so I'm like gonna quickly skim over it. And the trophy is like right over here. It's like the easiest one. So grab this, set shit over here, and just. Oh, I did it first try. We're back here. Let's see, our beer is falling. I find this funny. Guard. Oh, I got first achievements, so yeah. Yeah, so like I have to. Also, the trophy is like right in here. So yeah. It's Among Us. We're in a spaceship and I'm in the vents. Among Us. So how can this fat guy jump? Well, I guess it's a dream, but like a Portal reference. Anyways, maybe it's a Portal reference. Push, keep push. So. Push the companion cubes, alright. It's bang. We already got these two. These two cubes. Oh wait, I forgot to press the button. Yep, I'm alright. I like right clicking, it's funny. This reaction is always fun. And also, there is the sun. So we have to it's right there. I think it's just a moving PNG actually. This is it. Okay. And come on, no. Okay, it's not really in the middle, but we're getting. Oh no! Yep. Barn today. So let's do the totem. The trophy here is pretty. The level is not. Button. Just like carry this chest all the way over here. This game's like dark. It's not like if you're playing. It's not your computer luminosity. Down. It's just like the game is like dark in some areas. And I don't want like it is. Yeah, I don't know how that pressed the button. I think it should not be it. Okay. I have to do some parkour now. So I take radios everywhere, like Radio after radio. I actually did first try this time. Oh, that took me a couple of shots. There's a key called shots, pun intended. There we go. Actually, I think we need well, I need, you guys are just watching, the slingshot. Oh god, Jones, Indian Jones. Dickhead, it's Indiana Jones. Take a slingshot. Oops, I swore in the video. Come on. Yeah, I just loaded in. So I'm pretty sure the trophy is like right in there. It's on a stack of gold. Conveniently place key in it, bro. Oh, oops. So here's the bit of a hard part, like hardcore. If you play this game, I hope you like parkour because it's pretty hard. Also, by the way, the Suicune guy, the one I'm playing as, kind of like my 5th grade gym teacher, like shit, my PE teacher for 5th grade. So, like, kind of shit looks like him. So, maybe just a happy coincidence. So, I'm saying Suicune because I'm too lazy to like censor out in the I will be too lazy. So I'm just like kind of bad on my first try. I remember this taking me a couple of tries. Anyways, there it is. Man, imagine if I like fell off. I had to do this. Wow. Oh no. Run. Ah. Wait, what? That just cheat that. Oh, never mind. So if you press Q, you blink. No, I think I have time for another one. This one. This new one. I have not played yet. I guess I have to get killed by that thing. So radio, what do you want to say? Nothing. Well, the trophy has to be here somewhere. Let's climb up. Was it like Frankenstein? It could be. I guess it's alright. Run around. What is this? I have to make my life so it is like Frankenstein. So can I just like go hit to the side? Like that? It's a pretty long staircase to be honest. There's another one. Okay. Gonna be alive. Alive. Or what? So, no trophy yet. Oh my god. Did it work? Oh, there it is. Is he around nothing? No, he's fighting. But what's the sign? Collect 5 systems. Uh-oh. Said the word. Oh my god. Yeah. Come on guys, let's go. It's alive. It's alive. Oh my goodness. Take pic for the thumbnail. Gonna step on me. I think it picked me up. That's pretty cool. It's on next level. Oh, this one. Portal. I like with this portal gun. I like with this. So. Ah, there's one right here. That's so good. What's that? Wait, was that the level? That was the whole level? That was a filler level. It's a filler level. Oh, Mario? It's like, that was too easy, like straight up, really fucking easy. Oh, goodness sake. If I just... Ah. Let's not do this. Oh yeah. Placing that here. Oh, the hills have eyes. What happened to piranha plant? No! What did they do to you? So it's like the SMG4 level. What was I supposed to do? Is it a trophy? Oh. No, that is not gonna be too easy. Oh. Nice. Mushroom plus lucky block equals. I think it's too big right now. And now it's. Go, run. Luigi! Another dead chomp. Okay, 2 lucky blocks. Okay, find a mushroom. Yeah, no. I like Silk Song and Sackboy A Big Adventure because automatically. Wait, and this? Okay. What did I do on mushroom for? Just. I have to get up there. I have to get up there, you know. I think I might actually have to. Yeah, I definitely have to get up there. So, let's get up. Mario. Like, where's the statue? Collectible. If I don't find one, maybe look on you. No, it's not powerful enough. So I guess I have to go down. Why just so many dead chompers? Yeah, not PvZ, you know. Then I have to grab a lucky block. Just do that. Here's my influence. Oh, 3 lucky blocks. Oh my. Can I choose it with 2? Damn it, what? I think I could do it with 2 lucky blocks. I definitely can do it with 2. Okay, let's do it. So, I'll take the collectible. No, I'm gonna get that one. I think I'll actually have to go back and get. Sounds like Hollow Knight character. He's a grunt and seriously, that's how fat you are. In your dreams you can't run. Actually, no, even in dreams you can't do something. That's hurt someone. YouTube, if you're watching this, that was a joke. For political reasons, that's a joke. That's where we get stuck. No collectibles yet. No collectibles. Nice. No collectibles this way. I think I could jump up. Yeah, like I could cheese it with 2 of them. I don't even need the 3rd one. What is that supposed to even mean, dog? What does that mean? Okay, so. Oh, I did it. It's 2 of them. Come on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. We did it. I didn't get the thing. Okay. Because of that, like and subscribe events. I'm not forcing you, but you should definitely do it. Thank you. Good night. Good morning. And today, and if today is your birthday, happy birthday. Goodbye.